Hello everyone, this is my review of the Lasko Oscillating Ceramic Tower Space Heater. This space heater has a built-in fan in there, so it projects the heat out. It doesn't just heat up and let you stand over it, but you can fit it at least 2-3 feet away. It oscillates back and forth if you need it, or just stay stationary. You can set different temperatures on it. It's pretty good for heating a room, even a garage. Sometimes we leave it in the garage to heat the area in the garage to keep things from freezing in the garage. It's a very lightweight heater that's easy to move around and can put in small spaces as well, even underneath a desk, keep your legs or feet warm as well. So I would highly recommend this heater, and I hope this review helps.